Hello and welcome to this tutorial all about how to create a new composition, and I'll show you a few things that you can do with it, a few shortcuts, and a lot of the After Effects videos I make in the coming weeks are going to be kind of like this, just showing you shortcuts, a few tricks and tips and stuff like that. So what we can do is, if we've got this folder selected, there's nothing in it at the moment, called Comp.tut, and then we can click here, which is going to go create a new composition. We can also do Control N, and then you get the name of the composition. So I just call it plants because that's the sort of stuff we're going to put in here. Okay, so I'm going to do 3840 by 2160. I'll leave the background color as black. There's a few options that I'll talk probably another video about motion blur and nesting, and that's going to give us a new composition. Okay, so with the composition, like say we've got our source here. So I've got a buttercup here. These are all CC0 images, and so that means I can use them, and basically they're Creative Commons 0 that I found on Wikipedia, and I searched for them. Now what we can do is, if we do Control, we've got the image selected here. If we press Control and slash, it's actually going to put the image directly into the middle there. So I'm going to just do this like a few times just to show you like the different ways of doing it. Okay, we're going to delete that, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control and look. Notice where the time. The current time in the CTI is, right? I'm going to press Control and slash, and you'll notice that it actually appears all the way back here, even though the time indicator was there. You can actually change that. If you press Control Alt and semicolon, what you can do is, you see where it says Create Layers at Composition Start Time. You can actually get rid of that. So now if we get rid of that, and then we're going to try the same thing again. Control slash, and you see that like it actually starts it there. So you can, so that's a different way that you could actually choose where you want the composition to start, because otherwise if you don't do it like that, what you would have to do is you'd have to, if that is still on, you would actually have to like put this in manually where you want it, right? So you choose this time, I want it to start at 4 seconds, and now it's starting at 4 seconds. So another thing you can do is, we've got this composition plant selected here. If I wanted to add it directly to composition, I could just drag it up and put it directly into the composition like that, and that will have the same effect as doing Control slash. The other thing you can do with the timeline, you can actually move some of these things around. So if you wanted to just like make things go a little bit, you want a bit more space, you can do some sort of little adjustments like that. I'm going to be talking more about this program like in a lot more detail. I'm just going through like just trying to sort of get my head around a lot of the things with it. So I'll be back another time. Thanks for watching.